Hi guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at yearn.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $5,740 level. We are currently ranked at 266 with a market cap of about $192 million. And so today we are going to be looking at the AI price prediction right here for YFI. We have seen YFI had this massive push from 5,200 towards the 5,700 level. Cumulatively for this week, YFI is up a massive 25% push to the upside. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we have the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta on the 4-hourly time frame. Binance is the data source. So the first thing we have done is to slap our AI over the chart for YFI. And as you can see, last week, in the last 1 week, we have seen YFI push from 4,500 to about those 5,700, which has been a massive push right here of about 25%, right? So what are we expecting for this week? Our AI said going into the week, we could see some little fake outs are pushed to the downside, but basically that could just be a massive fake out, as we should continue to expect a massive push towards the upside, even above those $6,000 level. And according to our AI, we could see a massive potential push for this week of about 20% right here on YFI, pushing YFI above those $6,000 levels, right? So we could still see this is just the beginning. We could still see continued upside right here for YFI, and we could see higher price targets right here for YFI, right? So YFI continues to remain bullish. We are expecting higher price targets. As you can see, our AI is usually right 80% of the time because it uses regression analysis and predictive analytics, right? Using the past, calculates it and tries to predict what we are going to see this week. So let's see how that pans out. Our AI continues to remain bullish on YFI, expecting higher price targets. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.